Okay, great. Welcome to your first exercise. So here's the exercise. From the string welcome to Python 101 strings, extract text and then print a new string that says one welcome ring to Tyler. Every first letter in a word should be capitalized, so it should be in title format. And then the second exercise, which we haven't gone through, print the same string backwards. Google's your friend. So give that a shot and see how it turns out. I'll come back with the solution in a second. Great, so did you try that out? Let's see what we can do. Let's start by creating a variable for a new string. So we'll call that message1. And then we're going to print message1 as we work along so that we can see that we're doing the right thing. So let's start concatenating a string. So we'll start with message. I think we're going to be using that a lot. So message, what's the first thing we need? We need the number 1. So that's at position 17 maybe. Let's see. We'll print. That was empty, so that means it's probably 18. So there we go. Great, 1. And then we need to add to that a space, since we want to have 1 space. Next up, we want welcome. And we actually have the word welcome, right? So we can use a slicing method here. So message, we want to slice from the first letter to the 8th. The reason we want 8 is because we also want the space, so that we don't have to add a space here before the next one. So then we grab another slice. Now we want ring, and ring actually exists as a word inside the word strings, right? So we can grab that. So that's if number 1 is 18, it's 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. It starts at 25 to 29. Let's check what we have so far. 1 welcome ring. We add some more. Now we need to add a space because there wasn't one there. And then we add the word to, which we find at position 8 to 11. 8 to 11. And actually, if we print that, we'll see it works. But do we really need this space? We could do start at 7. And we get the space before 2. So there we go. Then we have to pick the different letters to create the name Tyler. So let's do that. So we've got message T is in position 13. We've got Y in position 12. Then we have L in position 2. E in position 1. And the R we can grab from the 5th position from the end. So plus minus 5. Let's try out our string. 1 welcome ring to Tyler. Awesome. And then we need to capitalize it. So let's do that. How do you do that? Well, you say title. 1 welcome ring to Tyler. Fantastic. And then as our second exercise, we're going to print this string backwards. So how do you do that? Well, there's a slicing trick, and it's really simple. Just haven't gone through it yet. So let's try it. It's print message 1. And here comes the slicing trick. Colon, colon, minus 1. That prints a string backwards. So let's do that. And let's also make it in title format, so everybody's happy. And there you go. Now you've learned a new trick on slicing strings. Talk to you later.